Video we're going to be showing you how to replace the shaft sensor gasket. This is a BMW 328i 2011. So we're going to be replacing the valve gasket, and we're also going to be replacing this gasket for the shaft sensor. So the way we are trying to remove it is using a flathead screwdriver, and since the gasket is already toasted, it's kind of hard to get it out. So you just gotta be gentle with it. See, as you can see, it's coming out. So right there, it's out. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and install the gasket or the seal. This is the part number, the bottom one. It's only $16. And if you're interested on the screws for this one's right here, those are $7, $7.92, and the rest of them is the second one is for the valve cover gasket, and the $37 one is for the one that goes right here. So for this video, we're only going to be installing this one right here. So we're going to be using this type of silicone, and even though people say it's not required, we still use silicone. I don't want any leaks on this. We're just gonna put a thin layer of it. So it's up to you if you want to use some silicone or not, and to put it in. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it in. So right there is in. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the silicone. So this is it for this video, and thank you for watching.